Workers of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited wore black batches on Monday in support of the protest called by the Meecl Progressive Workers Union in demand for regularization of employees and releasing of pending arrears. MPWU, in its general meeting on August 20th, decided to launch the agitation to push for its demand that casual workers in the state-owned power utility to be regularized and have their arrears cleared. Contractual workers make up around 40% of the Meecl workforce. In June, Power Minister Preston Tinsong said that the department would consider the issue of regularization. The Black Badge protests will continue tomorrow, as well as they prepare to launch a sit-in demonstration from September 5th.
The management, the government, to please call the Progressive Union for a discussion and to please settle this matter across the table. We don't see any issues on this because correspondence has already been there, minutes is already there. So it is just the willpower, and it is not about regularizing all 2,000 at one go. Maybe at first stage it may come to around 500 to 600. That the management will look out based on the year on which they agreed to.
At the international border,